Kaseng All India Trinamool Congress North Shillong constituency matagasngi kala pelong ya ka jelang hakabala thau ya ka block nani ka unit jonga ni kaseng hapot North Shillong amtang bala thau ya ka central body nani ya ka body ka phedu jonga ni ka block la thau ru ya kitnat jong ki long kemi nani ki wen swing katat jong ki samla ki yutim ba kumjur katat jong ki samla puli ka student swing hakani ka jelang la don lang ru Dr. Mukul Sangma warong uwe ni kini ngelam jongka All India Trinamool Congress wa dot sebelum do warong MLA juga umrai bat kiwi-kiwi dia kini ngelam jongka ni kaseng hakani ka sengiru na kaliang juga seng kala sai pat ba ya kawe ni ki samla ki batraiba hakani ka than bakata kalong ka samla LG ba ranja kabanong kum ka kertong na kamta banyakun ya ka election MLA arajar arpulai hakani ka jelang le sementar ki babun ba ki pat ba bahkan top lu ia kilang kemia ki samla ba kirang ba ki bahap apo ka North Shillong constituency
nado ka student body ba ka youth body lapan sekian ni hakani ka si ka aru pratre umnai me hajar arwa kublai shibon mungkin pok ki brand hi boro usnang train na motor na bunta kani ka bhagamya na bunta kani ka party ko joni kublai shibon.
I want to thank all of you because all these years, in the years bygone, I have had the privilege to remain connected with all of you. To my colleagues, I remember when I first stepped into politics, we were part of the ruling dispensation and the MLAs representing different parts of the constituencies in Shillong were part and parcel of the team in the assembly. We learned from each other. We remain connected in our resolve, in collective resolve to build this state, irrespective of whether we were in the ruling or in the opposition. Our seniors demonstrated a public life which was completely guided by their sense of probity in public life. We did not see the kind of greed amongst our politicians of the past. We saw commitment and only the commitment to serve our people. And today, over the years, things have changed. That's why we have to realign and re-strategize our approach. We need to further reach out to the people to ensure that there is a strong, alert, vigilant civil society and vigilant, alert and assertive members of the community so that every politician will realize that we are under scrutiny. We are under scrutiny, that's why we have no space to do anything wrong.
Isamla aljiwa habe kran bakila patai khobori la ong bak jingmi jung i sini shmat banyak kon yakan election kalong namar ba ki parti ki badan hak sarkar MDA kim shima trei satia nakam ta ki paj ba andai kra trei ki babun ke kam ke jongki nakam ta ki jingmato shimat ke jongki koi ni ki jing ang nuot ke bai mi khmat panyale election kalong ban lumban lang ni ki samla ban lumban lang kham tam e ki paj ba ki baduk ki basuk ki bajuna kayo kakot kamjur ban peten lenti ki samla ta ka babu ki coaching center nakam ta ke jingrap ki haki babun ki liang naban karo hande ba isamla aljiva ide nakashnong Wahingdoh ibasa apa ka block on
ke ikajing thmu ka jonga ke baningkong aya pekimat bangabu kadai bangan kentiu ya ki yut jong ka jela ka jongi amtang hakane ka constituency henry haka jelahi barok ka wei namar ba ka jingjelai jong ki drugs ka jingjelai ka influence jong ka alcoholism ni kwa ban weng bat rat ding khong bat ling ba kum no bangin rat i kita na tram na man siem bangan yo ban play ki society kenang ba kilong kemiru kinyo bandan bentah kinum dan kam ban shong betang hayeng henry kinyo ban trai ban kata kini iya keperthai am bantang sushong hayeng namar ngi ki kenthai ngi di bandan ru ka gender of equality hapring ushenrang bat ki kenthai am tang bangi ong ngi de ki kenthai ngi shong hayeng em ngi ki kenthai ru mila ban trai mila ban yeng mila ban fight against anything hakani ka jela lani pat akarihi barok kawai nga ngada trang shisha balada ngayang na North Shillong kum ka candidate jong All India Trinamool Congress ngangit scam manganyo hi ka support na kaliang ki youth ki kenthai bat kumjo kirang ba bat ngan le hi ka kam bangan form ki society wat dangan pat yale ke election la hajar ar pulai ru wat dangam pat yale ke election ru nganum up pangan na hap up hadu banda job henry naduk mentahi ala sedang ban phalum hiki kenthai keleng haka constituency bangakwa ban form ki society namar kidon haki locality bapher ngimpat dan ka crèche ngimpat dan kini namar ngang akwa hi bangan wanra hiki free education free development yak youth kenang bakin yo ban let ban pule bakin num sakama namar ngam kwa kalawai jong ki khana samla jong ka jela ka jong ni bakin sakama ngakwa yaki bangin ken